Alliance Gator. Alliance Gator offers a complete line of cleaners for concrete pavers, wet cast and natural stone. Alliance Gator Efflorescence Cleaner will make the paved surface cleaner and more vibrant without discoloring or damaging the surfaces. Efflorescence Cleaner is recommended to remove stains and mineral salts that are naturally found encrusted in the concrete product or natural stones. It should also be used before sealing any surfaces. The steps are as follows. Wet the surface. Apply with the use of a pump sprayer, a pre-mixed solution of 1 part cleaner to 4 parts water to the surfaces. With the help of a hard bristled brush, scrub the sprayed surface in 50 feet sections at a time. When the surface has been properly brushed, spray the area with a pressurized hose in order to remove all apparent traces of the cleaner. There should be no traces of foam left. Repeat these steps until the entire surface is clean and free of all debris and stains. At Alliance Gator, quality is our strength. For more information, you can reach us at alliancegator.com.